To perform remote online notarizations, you must have an X.509 digital signing certificate on file in Notary Launchpad. In this video, we will show you how to upload an existing certificate or purchase a new one through our third-party partner, IdenTrust. Before you start, make sure you can access your admin dashboard and that your notary profile information matches your notarial commission exactly. If you already have an X.509 certificate from another platform, you can upload it. If not, you can purchase one through IdenTrust. Log into your admin dashboard and open the Notary Setup page. Select the notary profile you want to update, then scroll down to the section labeled Digital Signing Certificate. If you already have an X.509 signing certificate, click Upload New and follow the prompts to upload your certificate file. If you need to purchase a new certificate, click the IdenTrust link. You will land on an informational page. Scroll down and click Buy Now. At the top of the page, select Notary Launchpad from the Program Affiliation dropdown. Next, open the certificate dropdown and choose the available certificate option. Then select your certificate duration, 1, 2, or 3 years, and click Continue. On the next screen, review the details and confirm your program affiliation shows Notary Launchpad. When everything looks correct, click Next. Now you are on Step 2. Enter your personal information so IdenTrust can verify your identity before issuing your signing certificate. Your name must match your notarial commission exactly as issued by your state authority. When you are done, click Next. Your name must match your commission exactly. Review your information carefully. When the confirmation pop-up appears, choose Yes if everything is correct. If anything is wrong, choose No, go back, and correct it. Then select your payment method and click Submit Application. After you submit your application, issuance typically takes 3 to 5 business days. Watch your inbox for status updates from IdenTrust. Note that usually within a few minutes of completing your purchase, you will receive an email verification from IdenTrust. Follow the directions in the email to complete your verification. You may also watch the next video in this series, titled How to Retrieve Software Certificate, linked in the description of this video. That's it! You have now either uploaded your existing X.509 certificate or started the process to purchase a new one through IdenTrust.